Hello traders, today is Tuesday the 29th of December 2015 and this is your pre-London session video from Trading Legion. Now looking at the cable, which is the pound versus the US dollar today, and you can see that the pound has been in a downtrend, this short-term downtrend, but now it seems to be basing, and it has actually formed one of my favorite patterns. It's the inverse head and shoulders. You can see the left shoulder, the head and the right shoulder, and the neckline is sighted somewhere here. Okay, but most interesting for me is where this inverse head and shoulders is actually occurring. If I just go down to the daily chart, you can see in a previous blog post I highlighted this, and you can see that on the daily chart the pound has come and hit the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, and it's been trading in this wedge. So essentially this pattern is it's been coiling. You see all this volatility, these violent swings. To me this suggests that it's corrective in nature to this prior uptrend. So it's very interesting that we're getting a reversal pattern at the lower boundary of this wedge pattern and the 78.6% Fibonacci. So I'm very intrigued to what's going to happen here. So if we just mark up the neckline of the pattern, you can see it's somewhere here, somewhere around 1.4938. Okay, and I like the fact that we've got symmetry between the two shoulders, the left shoulder and the right shoulder. So for now this pattern is fully in play, and I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. 1.4872 is literally the symmetry between the left and the right shoulder. So if we get a break above here, and a consecutive close on a 2-hour basis above 1.4944, then this pattern has been validated and we should be projecting upside targets. So if I measure the distance between the head and the neckline and we just project it, let's say from the breakout point whenever that occurs. So we've got targets, upside targets around 1.5080 basically, which coincides with the 61.8% Fibonacci of this decline here. So this is one that you should keep on your radars. Now what I don't want to happen is I don't want price to come and break below here and have a much more deeper retracement. That lessens the bullish bias, but it could still be a viable long. But for me, I want to see a sign of strength, and as it's bounced from here to continue upwards. Otherwise, if we break below this 1.4872, then we potentially could have an A, B, C occurring, or we could even come back and re-challenge this 1.4880, 1.4805 low. So my ideal scenario to show us a sign of strength by keeping this low intact and moving to the upside. So keep cable on your radars today, because it's very interesting, as I said, of where this actual inverse head and shoulders is occurring on the daily. Thanks very much and have a great day.